So, Matt from Urchfab. It's just going to be a little update on what's been going on. So first thing is to do with the competition I did to win Dyson a t-shirt. The clue I gave was kind of a little bit out in terms of the dates of when the car was made. So I said early 70s to late 90s. It was actually late 50s to the year 2000. So yeah, sorry about that. I will do another competition though with a better question. My first car was a classic Mini. My mum bought me one when I was 13 and I just used to tinker around with it. If she was out, drive up and down the lane. We ended up taking it down to a field where I could drive it around the field, and then it didn't last long once it actually got into the field. And that was that, end of the Mini. But I do love Minis. I'd like to do something with a Mini in the future. I did a load of work on a Mini that was built in the 60s, so I should have got that right really, but there you go. Worst things happen at sea, like storms and big waves. I'm going to do another giveaway just because I got that so wrong. Oisin, Kenny. That's probably wrong, but Brian Purcell, Stephen Sandford, Oisin, Kenny. Email me through my website, urchfab.com, and just put your name as the subject and put your address in there, t-shirt size. I'll get those posted off to you. So progress on the car has been pretty much non-existent. I have done a bit just going around like welding up a load of little holes, but that's pretty much all I've been able to do. I ordered a seat turned up last week and it was too big, and I sort of realised that the only seat that's going to fit in there and I'll actually be able to get it in the position I want to sit is going to be a Kirky like aluminium seat, which is what I had in my old car. So ordered one of those last week, paid for like express delivery, and then I phoned them up this morning. I obviously hadn't looked properly when I was ordering it, but there's 17-day wait for them to get it, then they've got to send it out to me. So yeah, just at the minute trying to find somewhere that's maybe got one in stock. But I've tried two places now and they both said the same thing, so that's kind of holding up the progress of moving on with doing anything on that. If the fiberglass turns up, I can start getting all the front end done, but again, don't know how long that's going to be. I've ordered lots of bits. I've got some bits here, some new stuff which I'll show you. I was in the process of ordering all the nuts and bolts I need, and I thought I will just see if I can salvage some of the existing ones. So I bought a tub of evapor rust. I've never tried any of these like rust remover stuff before, but you know, you always see the videos where they chuck an old rusty part in and pull out a brand new one, so we'll see if that's the case. Alright, so this has all been soaking for 36 hours. It says 1 to 12 hours on the packet, but I had it all in there for 12 hours and it didn't really look like it had done a great deal. Alright, so I'm supposed to just rinse all this off with water now. "36 hours sat in there and it's all still covered in rust. It definitely looks cleaner. I think a wire wheel on a bench grinder would do a much better job. Probably do that, go over them with that now and they would come up. better, but they would come up doing that anyway, so it's kind of like, you know, what's really the point in this stuff? Right, enough rusty crap. Let's look at some new stuff. Okay, so this is parts I've bought with money from the Feed the Mongrel Fund. So thanks to everyone that's contributed to that. These are from japspeed.co.uk. So these are rear uppers, rear upper arms, adjustable, so you can adjust the camber. So I've got a pair of those. And then the lower arms, I'm just going to buy the stock standard ones with some poly bushes in them. And then these are the same but for the front. Front upper wishbone, nicely made, nice and solid. And now I'm getting adjustable front lower arms from a company called Destroy or Die. Just waiting for them to come in. I've got some suspension sorted. So these were donated by Will Schrader. He's over in America, and he competes in a Mx5 race series, or Miata they call it over there. And these are off of one of his race cars. So got a full set of these. Ready to go, so that is awesome. So thanks Will for these. These came into the UK on the 1st of January and they were stuck in customs for up until last week. I did think they weren't going to release them, but they sent them to me in the end. So that's kind of half the suspension sorted. I've bought a new rear subframe, not new but second-hand one. Finally managed to get hold of a good one that wasn't all rusted. Still got to go through all the brakes, see what's usable and what isn't. So I'll probably do that sort of stuff while I'm waiting for bits for this. But yeah, all a little bit slow at the moment, but as soon as all the parts turn up, I should really be able to start progressing quite quick. But yeah, just thought I'd give you all a bit of an update. And yeah, hopefully some bits start turning up soon. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.